Oh, wow.
Focus, man.
Do you know the population of this place?
No, I don't.
It's probably similar to Kigali, you think? No idea?
Yeah, but it's close.
Yeah, it's probably close, but it doesn't feel like it. Because seems like a major area of the city and there's nobody around. And this is on a Friday. And this is at 2:30. So you would expect there to be a lot of people around here. But there aren't. Surprising.
Maybe the population is a little bit lower than ours, right?
It could be. Hard to say though.
Taking this city as a sample.
Yeah. So right now we're going to try and find the University of Burundi. And hopefully we can find some young people who speak English. Or I can use my horrible French and put subtitles for you guys afterward. But it would be interesting to get some conversations out here. Hear what the local people have to say. Especially the younger folks. Oh, wow. So they just crashed. It wasn't that fast though, so I don't think anybody's badly injured. There was definitely a crash. It's a major accident. Everybody came out the woodwork to see this. Rubberneckers are a global phenomenon. So this whole intersection is going to be congested after that accident. Let me see if I can get a good zoom. I think people would watch that.
It is obvious. They don't have, they don't use.
Standards, yeah. No organization.
Yeah, it's just everyone needs.
And this is the part with the most, with lines and everything. So imagine the other parts. They eat that? And they eat it like that? Don't you have to boil it?
It looks dirty. I mean, yeah, you can
You have
eat
to cook it.
raw.
But won't it hurt your teeth? But it has no flavor, right? You just
Yeah.
eat it raw?
Yeah.
Some people like it raw. Ooh, baby, I like it raw.
Yeah.
That's a song. That's a song. Wu-Tang Clan. You ever heard of Wu-Tang Clan?
No.
You never heard of Wu-Tang?
Wu-Tang?
Yeah.
That's a Chinese word.
Yeah, it is, but it's a rap group from the 90s from New York. And it was one of the most popular rap groups of all time.
Okay, I get it.
And, oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. And one of the members of the group had a famous song called, Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Ooh, baby, I like it raw. I'll play it for you one day.
So what was he trying to say? I don't get it.
He's talking
What
about
does he like?
he doesn't like to use anything in between him and the nookie.
I still don't get it. What thing?
I have to show you. I can't really explain it.
How?
Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Classic. I feel like I've been walking forever. I'm getting a cramp in my neck. Y'all don't know the struggles I go through to bring y'all this juicy footage live and direct. I saw another car accident like that. Just walking down the street with my family. Yeah, in the afternoon like this, right in front of a zoo. Back in the States, it was like, you've seen a lot of accidents, you said?
Yeah, nowadays, like
Oh,
in Kigali, there have been a lot of accidents.
okay. I should have asked her if she wanted to do it. She was looking. They seem young.
In French,
How do you know? They might speak English.
it means they don't study.
I mean, you're not going anywhere. You're just standing there, sitting there.
You can.
It's too late now. Then it's awkward. That's the name. So you don't know this. I'm a guy.
Yeah.
We practice this stuff. If you have to come back,
Yeah, but she don't think you're hitting on her because you are together.
then you have to kiss me in front of her. Then she'll understand.
No.
You could be my sister.
Yeah, but at least she will not think about that.
I know, I'm teasing. But
And I cannot be your sister. You want me to be your sister?
they might think so. There's a story in the Bible about this guy, I forget his name. I was reading it recently. But, well, not so recently, but this year. I don't know, like super recently. But anyway, it was
10 years ago.
no, it was this year. And in the story, his wife was very beautiful. I think her name was Rebecca.
Oh, I know.
And so he lied and he told the Pharaoh when they asked that it was his sister and not his wife. And so the Pharaoh took her, but he didn't sleep with her. He was about to. And then God started cursing him and he was like, what happened? And then he said, oh, you were trying to do something evil with his wife. And then he said, get this woman away from me. Why didn't you tell the truth? I would have never taken her if I didn't know. So this is the first dog I've seen in the city of Buju.
Looks homeless.
Of course it's homeless. Definitely.
Hungry.
Definitely. I don't blame him for being hungry. I get hungry. So as you can see, the sidewalk just disappeared. There was a sidewalk, now there's no sidewalk. This doesn't happen that much in Kigali. So that's an improvement that they can make. Hope you guys are writing this down. If you're listening, more sidewalks. We're at the campus now of the University of Burundi. It's more or less in the center of Bujumbura. If you're in the downtown, you can walk here in about 20-25 minutes. There's not a lot going on around here, but it is a beautiful part of the city. It looks cleaner, and also I like the trees and everything, the way that it's been tended to. Seems a little more care has gone into it here than maybe in some other areas of the city. I'm assuming it's a I'm assuming it's a public university, but I'm not sure. But we saw some students leaving as we walked here.
Focus, man.